Previously on Survivor. In tonight's grueling endurance challenge, players were pushed to their limits in a battle of strength and stamina. Mylene, Justin, and Casey fought fiercely, but it was Casey who emerged victorious in the end. Karel, the lone Sunshine Tribe member, found herself on the outside of the alliance and was voted out, ending her dream of becoming the sole survivor. Now, with only 6 members of the Rainbow Tribe left, the fight within the original alliance intensifies, trust is shattered, and the battle for dominance is on. Come on in. Alright, welcome to your next challenge. Casey, please give me back your immunity necklace. Immunity necklace is back up for grabs. For today's challenge, it's called Egg Hunt. You're gonna use sticks and ropes to make long pole. You will use that pole to retrieve a bag. Inside the bag contains eggs with numbers and also questions. Okay, you have to answer the questions. The answer will be numbers. You will use that to solve a combination lock. Okay, this combination lock will retrieve your puzzles, and then if you have the puzzles, you have to solve it. First person to solve the puzzle wins. Okay, survivors ready?
Ready!
Go! You have to make a long, sturdy rod para masungkit ang mga bags. Those bags contains questions you have to answer. The answers are all numbers. Those numbers, we're gonna use it in a combination lock to open and try to solve the puzzle. Alright, now muna si Justin. Ang haba na ng kanyang pole. Ang tanong, sturdy kaya? Rian, merong technique na ginagawa. Hard! Ayan na, susukit na ni Hard. Justin, try na sungkitin. Ayan, nakuha na ni Har ng bag. Proceed now. Okay, go.
Justin got his.
Justin got the bag. Yung apat na buo pa rin ng rod. Harl and Justin working on the nuts. Yung iba nagawa pa rin ng rod. Rian, sinusubukan kunin ng bag. Nakuha na ni Rian ng bag. Mylene and Casey still working on their bags. Yan, open na ni Justin ang bag. Oh, ganda-handang. Eggs.
Buksan ko ba eh?
Hindi. Number na yan. It's numbers. You have questions there. You have to answer the questions. Lakasan mo.
God, what's our rating anniversary? The number of letters tally with
Sobrang pagod. Hindi na makaisip si Justin.
Yon! Mylene! Finally! Takbo na dito!
Kita?
Baka mabasag yung itlog dahan-dahan ha. Yon! Mylene!
Answer it. Put the egg.
Ay, so.
Put the egg 3. Dito mo lagay. Ganyan.
Isa, hindi ko alam.
Si naiwan na. Si Casey. Tsaka si Verhel. Casey. Pwede ka na mag-work dito sa table. Verhel.
Sorry.
Dahan-dahan. The questions are there. Answer it. Verhel, wala na sa game. Justin trying to solve the combination lock. Harl trying to solve the combination lock. Mylene and Casey still opening the bag. Ryan is answering the questions. Justin, Harl. Kaya try pa rin ang combination lock. Mylene, open na ang bag. Finally, Verhel with his bag.
Ay, tus, nagkalipat to ha? Yes. Paano malalaman pagbukas mo?
I-click mo siya, click mo yung gilid. Ibig sabihin mali yung combination lock mo. Casey lang, nabuksan niya na yung bag niya. Si Verhel na lang, walang bag. Ay hindi pa nabubuksan ng bag. Wala pa rin nakakasolve ng lock. Be pressured si Verhel ha. Try to review your answers, baka naman mali. Try to review your answers, baka mali. Kaya hindi niya mabuksan. Review your answers. Right, finally, Verhel! Verhel is on the game. Verhel, try to answer the question. Question 1. How many married couples are there in Ras family? Question 2. The number of letters that tally with our car's name. Number 3. Yun ang madali. When is the date of our anniversary?
Try ko na lang.
There, Mylene! Na-open na ni Mylene. Start na mag-puzzle si Mylene.
Nanginginig. Relax.
Excited. Na-open na ni Mylene ang lock.
Ano tsura nito? Ano tsura nito?
No coaching.
Diba sa center siya?
Imagine ko na siya.
Hindi siya dito.
Down to 2 pieces for Mylene. Wala pa rin maka-open ang lock. Except for Mylene. Nabuksan na ni Casey. So Casey and Mylene. Wrong, Mylene. Pumahabol si Casey. Wrong, Casey. Wrong. Yung mga nagsasolve ng lock, wala pa rin.
Yan.
Wrong, Mylene. Wrong. There's something wrong. There's something wrong.
Yung?
Wrong. Ay, nabuksan na. Wrong, Mylene. Nabuksan na ni Rhea. Nabuksan na ni Verhel. Wrong, Casey. Wrong, Mylene.
Ang gala ko na ulit.
Nabuksan na ni Justin. Si Hard na lang. Hindi nakabukas. Hapon. Thank you. Atras. Maylene wins! Yan. Mali.
Ako din, namali ako doon. Ako din.
Maylene.
Maging paro.
Alright, first immunity win. First immunity win.
Yes.
Congratulations, Maylene. Maylene is safe for the next tribal council, okay? Alright. Okay guys, welcome to our tribal council top 6. Congratulations, Maylene. Sure top 5. Okay, Maylene, anong masasabi mo? Dahil ikaw yung sa mga huling nakakuha ng bag, tapos ikaw ang pinakaunang nakakuha ng lock. Anong masasabi mo?
Nag-aalangan ko, akala ko mali yung mga sabog ko, pero yun nga, nabuksan ko na yung lock, so...
Okay, Justin, ikaw ang pinakaunang nakakuha ng at naka-open ng bag. Saan ka nagkamali?
Kamali ako sa counting ng number of couples. Sa akin 3, 4 pala. Nakalimutan ko sila dyan.
Sino isa?
Kaya yung sabi nila, iulit-bulit yung ano, matagal pa, nakalkutan na dyan.
Okay.
Mali pala.
Verhel, bakit ikaw yung pinaka-last na nahirapan ka ba sa pagbuo ng rod?
Yeah, mag-check ang kamay ko. Otherwise, nakahabol naman ako. Meron pang mas mauna sa pakay.
Alright, okay. So, 3 boys and 3 girls. Casey, anong basis mo ng vote mo tonight?
Kung sino yung malakas.
Sino yung malakas? Okay, Rayan, anong may basis mo for tonight?
Kung sino yung magiging kakompetensya in the future.
Justin.
Same. Yung threat.
Fred.
The next round.
Verhel.
Personal. Sino yung malakas?
Maylene.
Parang gano'n.
Okay, Maylene is safe tonight. No one will vote for Maylene. Let's start. Time to vote. First, Verhel.
Sorry, you're one of my biggest alliances here, but I have to do this.
Ganun lang siya.
Okay guys, get the votes.
Seconds.
Alright, votes are in. Once the votes are read, the decision is final. Kung sino man ang merong immunity idol na gusto nang gamitin, they can now play it. Wala. I'll read the votes. First vote. RA. Second vote. Hard. 1 vote hard, 1 vote Rayan. Rayan. 2 votes Rayan, 1 vote hard. Hard. 2 votes Rayan. 2 votes Harl. 2 votes left. Harl. 3 votes Harl, 2 votes Rayan. 5th member of the jury, Harl. Harl.
What about after, please?
It's time. Get your torch. Ano yung sinasabi mo kanina, Harl?
So hindi ko ginamit yung immunity necklace ko. Ako yung nakakuha ng isa. Here. So hindi ko siya ginamit kasi thinking maybe I could use it sa pang-final.
I'll check.
Ay, hindi ba siya?
Yeah, this is the hidden immunity idol. Sayang.
Kala ko naman kasi ano eh.
Harl.
Nabalot pala siya.
Na-try ba?
Nabalot pala.
Happy ako kasi nakarating ako dito. Anyway, hindi ko naman na-expect na makakarating ako hanggang ilan ba? Pang-anim? Hanggang pang-anim. And ang gusto ko lang naman is manalo yung team ko. Yun ang pinaka talagang priority ko na manalo kami kasi pwede naman dahil sa kanila hindi ako makakapunta hanggang sa ngayon. So thankful ako sa kanila. Yun lang, and I really enjoyed this Survivor. Thank you.
Stay tuned for scenes from our next episode. Next time on Survivor. With only 5 players remaining, the game takes a turn as they face a challenge that tests their core memory of past trials. Who has the brain power to recall the key moments and outwit their competitors? But that's not all. Tribal Council has never been like this before. It's the most exciting and thrilling vote yet, with a shocking twist that leads to the best use of a hidden immunity idol we've ever seen. 1 vote left.